What is going on, guys? Welcome to 13 Mile Factory. My name's Adam and today I'll be giving you some tips on buying your first RX8. Although this may seem obvious, and is the case with any vehicle you'll buy, I feel like extra time should be taken to find an RX8 with the lowest mileage possible within your price range. I do not necessarily agree with the idea that an RX8 is doomed to needing an engine rebuild at 100,000 kilometers. As you can see here with mine, it's possible to see upwards of 130 and in some cases even 190,000 kilometers. However, high mileage is going to increase the chance of issues. Tip number 2. Get a compression test done. Having a compression test carried out by your local rotary expert is going to give you a good idea of the engine's health and whether or not this car is worth investing in. If you have already purchased an RX8 without having your compression test done, there are a range of kits available and plenty of tutorial videos on the internet on how to use them. Tip number 3. Check over the car. This may seem like another obvious one, but it's easy to get caught up in the excitement of buying a car. Take the time to check over it. Don't be shy. Make sure you check the oil and that it's in good condition and at the appropriate levels. Check the coolant to make sure it's at the appropriate level. Some of the older reservoir bottles can be difficult to see through, but shining a phone light inside it will make it a lot easier. Pop your head underneath the car and have a look for any oil leaks or obvious damage, or even fluids that have accumulated where the car has been sitting. Another good thing to do is to turn the wheels full lock and have a look for any abnormal tyre wear. This can give you an idea of any steering or suspension issues. Tip number 4. Get the owner to do a hot start. If you have chosen not to get a compression test carried out, it's a good idea to at least get the owner to do a hot start after he's taken you for a drive. Hot start issues are a common first sign of an unhealthy rotary. Although all rotaries smoke a little, especially if pre-mixed, make sure it's not excessive and that it doesn't smell of coolant. Tip number 5. Try to read the person selling the car. Now I'm sure the guy pictured here is a lot of fun and a top bloke, but maybe not the guy you want to buy your car off. If they seem dodgy, they probably are. Okay, so that concludes my tips for buying your first RX8. Be sure to leave your tips in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed the video, and I'll see you in the next one. Cheers, guys.